FUZZ-A-TRON. What's up, people? Just built a fuzz pedal last night. It's a guitar effect. My wife and daughter were gracious enough to buy me a kit for Christmas. It was from Third Man Hardware, which is Jack White's business. So it came in a pack, and I documented some of the process. Hope you like it. So starting here on the left, we have our resistors, our capacitors, transistors, input-output jack, the PCB board, some washers, some nuts, some potentiometers. That's for our power, whether we're using the battery or 9-volt. That's our on-off switch to engage it. We got our fancy old top hat Telecaster Deluxe type knobs on it. All of our wiring. Here's the chassis for it, the box. If you can tell me who that guy is in the comments, you're a superhero. But Jack White's from Detroit, so I had to add that in there. The stickers and the instructions, which I'm actually going to use. Let's do it. To do the project, we're going to need some tools. Got a few screwdrivers out, got wire cutters, some snippers, some solder, soldering iron, got a voltage meter, and I think that's about it. We'll see. If we need to throw in some duct tape later on, we'll get some duct tape in there. All right, here we go.
She's alive! Alive! It's a beaut, Clog, it's a beaut!